Hi, me again. Yay! Super excited. Another unboxing. This was a total impulse buy. I thought I'd finished all my Black Friday shopping and I went to check my email and they were having doorbuster deals, Black Friday. Lily Jade, thank you so much. And super excited. I wanted this bag for so long, I just didn't want to spend that much. So I snagged a deal. Woo! So yay, welcome to my channel. I'm Jenna Neal and today we're going to unbox the Lily Jade Elizabeth backpack diaper bag in color black. Super excited and with bonus options. So I got the bag, I got packs, and I got straps. So I'm super excited to see what it looks like. Yay, so let's get started. Ooh, yes. Oh, how cute is our box? It's been a while since I bought a Lily Jade. Oh my gosh, are we ready? So I got a Lily Jade gold and jade colored organizer, Elizabeth black, jade and gold, packing cases, black and gold, and a strap crossbody. Oh, all right, here goes. First, what's this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, yay. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. Oh yes, I'm gonna do a video on these because these are awesome. These, oh my gosh, look, they come with their own dust pack. These are really cool and I wanted these so bad in black. Oh, I totally wanted these in black. Check that out. Oh my gosh, I love these. I wanted these really bad when I first was introduced to Lily Jade in the black, but they were sold out. So I opted for the, I think it's beige or cream and gold. And while I love them, I don't really use them as much because I love black. Super excited to come in 3 sizes. So you got your small, your medium, and then your large. Oh my gosh. This one right here, this medium fits my notebook and like a pen, so it's perfect. Super excited. Yay, black and gold. Super excited. Yay. Woohoo. Packs. Yes. All right, next. Woohoo! Okay, wow, this is so bright. I don't know why I opted for this one. Maybe because it had some kind of black in it. It's different. It's very different. Wow, check that out. Whoa, is that so bright? That is so bright. Oh my gosh. It is just a crossbody strap. Wow, it's super thick. Oh, I'm so excited. It's matching on both sides. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, it's huge. And the cool Lily Jade. So check that out. The cool Lily Jade hardware. Got your name right there. You got the claw clip. That's hardcore. Black will go with anything. So wow, adding color into my life. Woohoo! Oh wow, there's something else. Oh my god, this is so bright. I'm new to Lily Jade in that I've never bought a bag that comes with a organizing case, so I'm not really sure about this, but it's a case that you can put all your stuff in and then you put it inside your purse, which is so crazy weird but cool. What? And it zips, so it's like an insert that you can pull out. So I have a zipper pocket right here, but I don't know what I would fit in there, but it's pretty cool. And then there's a second zipper pocket right here. So like matching pockets. I love when they match. Love it, love it. And then on the other side, we have a spot maybe for my keys, and then like the stretchy pocket, and then another matching, whoa, pocket. It's pretty deep. And then on the side, it looks like maybe bottle pockets are just really tight. What? Super cool. And then on the inside, wow, there's a lot of organizing in here. It's gonna take me a while to figure this out. I have a zipper pocket right here. Ooh, check that out. This is a surprise. So if I want to keep something cold, what? Like my kids' snacks, that's awesome. And then on the other side, I have, these are a little bit more nylon material. So they have 2 pockets right there. And then your basic middle. The outside is more like a canvas. This is a good canvas cloth material. It feels wipeable. I'm not exactly sure if it is, but it definitely feels like it. The inside is more, it feels like kind of like a really thin raincoaty material. Wow, it's smooth, so it does feel wipeable, but it's definitely not as hard as the outside. Super excited. Look at that. And it'll fit in my bag. That is so cool. So I guess for this 4-buster promotion included the insert, the packs, and then the strap for free. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Oh, it comes in a black dust bag. Yes, I'll know which bag it is when it's in the dust bag if I don't love it when we use it all the time. Wow. Okay, I was hoping hoping I would get this. A little nervous that they still have their sale going on today. It is Black Friday. Video won't be posted for a while, but I was afraid that I would really like it so much I'd want to buy a second one. I was really proud of myself for only buying one bag. I bought one bag this go. Really, really proud of myself for that, but now that I know that the sale's still going, yikes. Okay, anyways. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. I'll get it out. Let's see. It's like super secure. Wow. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this bag for a long time. That is like super added, protected. It is real leather, so I guess that's why they opt to do that. All right, let's see. It comes with handles. So like the clutch arm handle, super cool. There's paper everywhere. All right, let's pull off the paper first. So front pockets, oh my gosh. I'm pulling off all of the paper because you don't want to see it all ugly. I always wonder whose job it is to put paper on the edges of bags. Okay, that's weird. But whose job is it to make sure these are all papered and well protected, right? Look at, even the feet have little, oh, they're so weird. Look, the feet even have the little plastic thing. All right, so there's this tassel thing. Can't believe I bought this. This was a total impulse buy, but because I wanted this bag for so long, thank you other bag reviewer YouTubers. I see it a lot on there, and I've been wanting a black bag. I've been wanting a real leather bag. I'm buying a lot of the fake leather. I want to say faux leather, vegan leather. I've been buying a lot of those, and while they're nice, I really wanted a nice leather bag. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Whoa, isn't that so beautiful? This is so pretty, and it's real leather. Do you love it? Okay, so we have this tassel right here. I like that it doesn't hang below the bag. That's kind of cool. I like that they look like they're buckles. They are some serious magnets. Whoa, do you love it? Look at that. There's a side pocket, maybe for a bottle, or I could fit my phone in there. Front pockets for all my crazy. Another pocket. Even has a back pocket right here with a snap on it. Ooh, that sounds good. This would have to figure out how to do the backpack straps. Really wish they'd sell the straps I could clip here to here and here to here. I'd totally opt for that. I don't like holding a strap up. Ready? Now open the inside. Ready? Going for the inside. Oh my gosh, wait. Whoa, what is this? Okay, so I have the strap, but there's also another case. Why'd I get two? Wow, all right. Oh, I see. Okay, so there's another packing case, I guess I could use. I don't know. It looks like it's, oh, a diaper pad. Duh. Diaper pad, and then it's so different. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you can see, wow. It is very different than the other ones. So they have like these big pockets, which I guess this is just higher quality. You could tell the fabric alone and the stitching, and they come with zipper pockets versus like the free. Same material, just definitely up their game on their stitching aspect. It doesn't have a zipper. So this one definitely has a zipper, and it's definitely a thinner, loose material inside with less structure, I guess. A little bit different inside. Wow, but I got two. So you can see the back is the same as the front with the pockets, but this one isn't the same as the front. The handles just feel better. These ones are a little loose. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with two, but I don't need two. I got two. I guess this was like a bonus. I think you have to buy this separately, maybe? That was nice, but no. Wow, it is so blue. Oh my God, it's so blue. What? A tassel for my keys, a zipper pocket, their logo right there, just a bucket, and then on the front has a tiny pocket. My phone would not fit in there, and then another bigger pocket. I'm hoping like one of these wallets will fit in there. Oh my gosh, do you love it? Whoa, check that out. Look at this. It is just a bucket. Oh my gosh. What? I know what my next video is gonna be because I am going to pack this up. Oh my gosh. So excited. Okay, daughter wants to go to the store. The only highlight of our life is we get to go to the store. Ooh, I don't want to go to the store. But I guess that fits in there. I still haven't figured out what these are for. I don't know what it's for. Maybe people that want to actually carry that tomorrow, or it fits in another bag with clips. I don't know, but it fits in there good. That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, I've never used one of these before, but it sits right in there and I can just pull it out and like switch my bag really fast. That's a brilliant idea. For how many bags I have, I can just switch the insert. How am I going to use all these bags if I can just switch this one? Do you love it? Oh my God. Okay, let's try these straps. We got, wow, this one. So this is the crossbody strap. I guess these are kind of expensive, so I got this for free. That was really cool. Clip on. Woo! So this could be my shoulder or crossbody. What? Pretty, kind of bright. I don't know. And then this, whoa, this is gonna be something else. This is supposed to be the crossbody or shoulder or backpack, but if you watch my videos, you know that I don't like that. I have to change between. I like to grab all. That's one thing I really like about Azaria is that they give you straps. Sorry, Lily Jade, I know this is your video. But I've noticed that about the other brands that give you extra straps. I know it's so simple, but I like that a lot. None of these sites seem to sell their extra straps. I would totally buy extra to be able to have extra straps to clip on and not have to convert it, because that drives me nuts. I mean, like, you see how long it takes. I don't even know what size. I'm totally guessing here. Maybe just make it as big as it goes. I got this. I got this. I can do this. Okay. And make sure that these are the same. Have this. So I'm gonna go down and then go through here and then pull them the same, I hope. The same. Pull them the same. Okay, let's try it on. Now that I got the straps on. Yay! All right. Whoa, check it out. Do you love it? I love it. So I probably would wear it a lot like this. I love bags that I can wear on my arm. Mom arms. I'm always like, yeah, let's build some mom arms. What is he doing? I love it. I'd wear it like this a lot. I can see that. I can also wear it, and I can wear it like this. Ooh, transitioning. Big girl style. What? Ooh. Oh, I already love this bag. Oh my gosh. And then you can see what all the rave is about. Oh my gosh. What? And then like this. Crossbody. I even like it crossbody. What? I think I just really like this bag. It's black. Oh my gosh. I don't know about the strap being so bright. Ooh. Okay. And then for the test. We're going in. All right. Ready? There's that. This backpack. What? All right. Yay. Oh my gosh, I'm Jenna Neal, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love it. I am so excited. I love this bag. I want to go somewhere. I want to just go to walk and carry it on my back for no reason at all, because I just am so excited. I love it. So if you're on the fence, definitely yes, do it, do it, do it. This one. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So again, thank you so much for watching my channel, watching my video. I'm Jenna Neal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe and notification bell. It helps me out a lot. Super excited. I hope you like it. If you have it, you have to let me know what color you have, because wow, I'm impressed. Yay! Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday, and yay, until next time. Thank you. This is the Lily Jade Elizabeth. Everybody else who's like, it's just a bag. No, it's not. Okay, join the club. Join the crazy. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. We're gonna have so much fun packing this. Like, I love it. I think this is my newest favorite bag. Love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So yay, stay tuned for the next packing video, because I think I'm gonna have to tear it up with this, because I am so excited. No. Up. Like it grew or something. Okay. I mean, like, what? 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 I don't know where to begin. Ah! Wow. Wow. Look at how. Wow. Oh my gosh, do you love it? Just. Oh, are you kidding? Did I totally mess that up? Probably, but whatever. Oh. No. Oh, darn it. Did I mess it up? Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. All right. Perfect timing. I don't know. I just want to take my bag somewhere. Oh my gosh, now I want the gray one. The doorbuster deal. Uh-oh. Yay, thank you!